The meeting, as we said, begins with the commitment to attend and the expectation to attend. Attendance, the handbook says, must be regular, must be active, and must be punctual. In other words, it must not be a matter of indifference nor merely a matter of routine or grudging cooperation. Attendance must be regular, active, and punctual. And that means the members must arrive, be it to the Praesidium meeting or to the Curia meeting, in a certain disposition. 1, ready to participate, because participation must be active. The handbook famously insists that at the Praesidium meeting, no one is to remain silent for the entire meeting. All of the active members must speak, all of the active members must participate, and that participation must be verbal and must be engaged. The handbook is equally strong on the level of the higher council meeting, insisting that all of those who participate in the higher council must also do so actively. And recognizing that the numbers of the higher council sometimes can be so large everybody can't get a chance to speak, the handbook, though, says over the course of the year, everyone must participate. Everyone must speak. And the point of that rule is not that the officers of the higher council are sitting there with a checklist looking to see if so-and-so said something today, but rather to recognize that if its members are not actively interested, actively engaged, and actively participating, be it to raise questions or to contribute ideas, the Legion is going to limp. And so mere attendance is never enough in the Legion system. Active attendance is the expectation on every level of the Legion. In fact, at no point is a member absolved from the duty to participate. That's remarkable. That's remarkable because all too often we find ourselves in the pattern of just wanting to listen, of being content to be spoken to. But the handbook insists it's only when we engage what is being said. It is only when we engage one another that we even have a chance of retaining what was said to us in the first place. And so this is vitally, vitally important. Regular, active attendance. An attendance that must be punctual. And the punctuality that the handbook insists upon is a matter of respect. It's a matter of respect for our brother and sister legionaries, and it's a matter of respect for Our Lady. Because the Legion meeting is never simply a gathering of the members of the Legion. The Praesidium meeting is not just a gathering of the members of the Praesidium. The Curia meeting is not just a matter of the gathering of the members of the Curia. It is always a gathering with and in the presence of Our Lady. It is a gathering around her. And that's why the handbook is so particular about how the meeting room is to be arranged. In the perfect world, which admittedly doesn't exist, the Legion envisions one single table around which everyone would sit. At a higher council meeting where there are many tables, it still envisions an arrangement of sitting around. And at the head of the table, not on a separate altar, but at the head of the table, at a place on the table, is the Legion altar with the image of Our Lady. And this is vitally important because it's a gathering at the table with Our Lady. It's a gathering around Our Lady, not simply a gathering before Our Lady, but a gathering with. And the punctuality then is about the respect for this coming together with one another and with Our Lady.